The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Decatur County in south-central Iowa, southeastern Union County in south-central Iowa, eastern Ringgold County in south-central Iowa, southern Clark County in south-central Iowa, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles west of Sun Valley Lake to 6 miles southeast of Mount Ayr to 8 miles east of Lorena, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Osceola, Leon, Mount Ayr, Lamoni, Sun Valley Lake, Lakeside Casino, Kellerton, Grand River, Van Wert, Garden Grove, Davis City, Decatur City, Tingley, Weldon, Elston, Beaconsfield, Leroy, Lamoni Municipal Airport and Mount Ayr Municipal Airport. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 3 and 35. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Clark, Decatur, Ringgold, and Union. This is NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Station WXL 57.